Hello, children. Hello. Great. Say hello to Cheeky. Hello. 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 Okay, very good. Blow a kiss to Cheeky. Very good. Great, very good. Okay, here now today, let's learn about farm animals. Okay, today, these are Cheeky's friends. That's right. Okay, very good. Here now today, let's sing the song. Hello, let's sing with me. Hello, Cheeky, monkey, monkey. Hello, Cheeky, we love you. Hello, Cheeky, monkey, monkey. Hello, Cheeky, a kiss for you. Very good. Great. Okay, here now let's learn about farm animals. Okay, here now let's look. And now please tell me, what animal is it? It's a horse. That's right. Very good. Horse. Very good. Horse. It's a horse. Very good. What's the color of the horse? Brown. Very good. Brown. The horse is brown. Very good. Brown horse. Very good. Look at this. What animal is it? Duck. Very good. Duck. Duck. It's a duck. It's a duck. Very good. What's the color of the duck? Yes, that's right. The duck is white, yellow, and orange. That's right. Orange. Very good. Duck says quack, quack, quack. Very good. Duck. That's right. Okay. Here now let's look. Look at this. What is it? Yes, sheep. Very good. Sheep. Sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Very good. What's the color of the sheep? Great. White and black. That's right. The sheep is white and black. Very good. Sheep. What does sheep say? Sheep says ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. That's right. What is it? It's a sheep. Very good. And here the last one animal is it now. What is it? Cow. Very good. Cow. It's a cow. That's right. Cow. Very good. It's a cow. What's the color of the cow? Very good. Yes, that's right. Okay. Look. Orange, white, and black. That's right. Very good. That's right. The cow is orange, yellow, white, and black. That's right. Cow. What does the cow say? The cow says moo, moo, moo. Very good. That's right. Cow. Sheep. Bah. Sheep. Very good. Duck. Quack, quack, quack. Duck. And horse. Very good. Horse. That's right. Okay, here now we will be singing the song Farmer Brown has a farm. Czyli będziemy teraz śpiewać piosenkę Farmer Brown has a farm. Czyli Farmer Brown ma farmę, na której są zwierzęta. Okay, here now let's sing the song Farmer Brown has a farm.
Farmer Brown.
Farmer Brown has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a quack, 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 there is a moo, 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 moo. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a neigh, 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 neigh. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. E-I-E-I-O. Brown has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Very good. Great. Okay, here now let's sing this song again. Sing with me. Farmer Brown has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a duck. Quack, 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 quack. On the farm there is a horse. Neigh, 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 neigh. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a cow. Moo, 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 moo. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. E-I-E-I-O. Farmer Brown has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Very good. Okay, great. You sing beautiful. Great. Okay, here now, let's say bye-bye sheep. Ba, ba, ba. Bye-bye cow. Moo, moo, moo. Bye-bye children. Bye-bye horse. Bye, bye, bye. And bye-bye duck. Quack, quack, quack. Very good. Great. Okay, here now it's time to sing the song Bye-bye. Wait a minute. Let's sing the song with record. Wait. Okay, let's play the record now. Song Bye-bye.
Chickie's Town. Chickie's Town. Lesson 2. Chickie's Jungle. Chick.
Okay, let's sing the song. Bye-bye, 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 goodbye, bye-bye children, bye-bye Chicky, bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.